Well, good day everyone. Back on the rear brakes again. Finally worked out what the problems were. Firstly, I'll turn this around. It was this. Now this is the arm here that the handbrake connects to. Now, firstly, I had the one in the car around the other way. So that bit there was towards the top. The other problem I had was the left and right, and so I had to make sure I got them the right way round. So they are now. So this is the correct orientation. So when we put it on top of the actual drum, you can see that this loops into that. Okay, so that's problem number one, and that then caused the problem with these. I suppose you call them a connecting rod or connecting arm. Goes out to the other shoe, so that when that is pulled by the handbrake cable, because it opens up the other brake shoe as well. So that was holding that wasn't because that wasn't in the right spot. This little step piece here didn't fit over the top like that. It was sitting about there, which then held the shoe out, which meant that again it kept these shoes too wide out, and therefore the brake drum wouldn't go on top. So that was another problem. So we saw that. And the other problem I had, and you can see this one is a problem. If you can just see here, this little lump of metal I didn't realise was there. Now it shouldn't be. It should be like this one. See how long that gap is there? So what it was also doing, as you can see side by side, it was holding out the shoe as well. Again, these little bits all add up, makes the shoes not work. Now fortunately my box of bits, I've got a good one, so we'll use this one. So it's back to reassembling the brakes, which to be honest is a fiddly pain of a job, but it's got to be done. So let's do it. So there it is. Oh, that bloody spring should be on there. Yeah, that's it done. Right, I think I've finally got that together. I just a minute ago had it together and realised that this little spring here had come adrift, and that's obviously important because it's the return spring for the handbrake cable. Anyway, I think it's all good there. That's all there. So the proof in the pudding will be, will the brake drum fit over it? Time to find out, I'm afraid. I hope so. I am so tired of doing brakes. Just got to mark where the locating job thing is, so I can see it, so it lines up with the brake drum. So that's in place. I'll give it a little kiss of encouragement. That's it. Now the drum, just make sure the keyway lines up with the key I just put in. Sure, it's a little bit wonky. Give it a tiny little more tap at the bottom. That's better. Now, why is that being a pain in the ass? Gah! I'm so sick of this!